Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Viva La Pink Posh, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I promise we are going to get straight into the video. I just want to first apologize for my audio because my mic battery died, so I'm using my camera's mic. But next video, I promise it will be back to normal. So today we are going to be reviewing the new Esha Lace Bond Glue, the remover, and also the prep. You guys are going to want to stay tuned for this video. Very, very interesting. Okay guys, so as you can see by the title, I am going to be showing you guys how durable and how good the new Esha Fusion Lace Wig Bond is. This is my first time using it. I've never used it. It comes in a small little tube like this. My first time using it again. So they also sent the remover for me. I've actually had the remover before, and they also sent, so this is the remover and this is a guard and prep primer. So this is what you're supposed to use before you apply the glue. You use this to clean your hairline. I've never used this before, so I'm very interested to see how this works out. This is the primer, and I'm just going to read what it says on the bottle. It says improves adhesion, protects hairline, grows edges, and it's vanilla scented. It says that it's designed for all skin types, hot, humid weather, sweating, and sensitive skin friendly. Okay, so this is what you use before you put the glue down. So then we have the glue here, and I'm going to read what it says. It says Esha Fusion Collagen Plus Vitamin Infused Lace Wig Bond protects and grows edges. So this is the glue. It comes in a small tube like this. This is the remover and this is the glue. It's kind of smaller. And this is 10 milliliters. And we also have a citrus remover. I have the regular remover, but I'm interested to try this citrus remover. It does say organic citrus. Okay, so for today's video, I am going to be applying a synthetic wig just because I'm going to be recording with this wig tomorrow. So I just figured I'll do this video today so I can record with the hair tomorrow. So if the wig looks really bad, we're not here to judge the wig because I did not customize it. I'll customize it after I glue it on. But this video is specifically for the glue, for the Esha Lace Bond. So we are not going to be judging my wig. This is just to see if this glue works or not. And again, this is synthetic hair. So it says to clean your skin where you're going to be applying the glue. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this and I'm going to squirt it on a little piece of wipe, and I'm just going to clean where I'm going to be putting the glue. Oh yeah, this stuff works really good. I just want to make sure there's no makeup where I'm going to be putting the glue so that it sticks easier. So now that I have your attention, don't forget to subscribe and become a part of the notification gang, and you will never miss one of my videos. Back to the programming. As you guys can see, it does remove the makeup. It's not a makeup remover, but it does remove the makeup. Okay, so this is all the makeup that I took off using the prep. Okay, so for the glue, it says to apply a thin layer, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I like to do like little dots on my hair, like so. Okay, so it says that you're supposed to wait until it's absolutely transparent, but sometimes my glue doesn't get transparent, or I don't know why, but sometimes it doesn't get transparent, or sometimes when it gets transparent, it's like completely dry and then I can't use it. So let's just hope that that doesn't happen with this glue. So that's how I applied it. You can apply more than one layer if you want more durability, but I like to apply one layer. And I'm just gonna let it air dry. I don't feel like sitting under the blow dryer. I'm just gonna let it air dry by itself. Oh wow, that is strong. I hope I'm ready to get this wig stuck to my head. If you guys see me looking this way, it's because I have a mirror over here. And I don't want the wig to be, I really look like a bullhead. I really look like my scalp. Okay, so I'm just gonna drag the wig forward, making sure that I'm putting it centered. I always do the top round of the wig first. And then I'm gonna move on to the side while I'm holding here so that I can pull it tight. And then I just place the wig down. I think this glue is going to be something amazing. Then I just press it. So I like to take like a piece of the hair out in the front. Like so. So that I make sure like the sides of the wig stick down. I'm going to pluck this wig after I glue this on. But like I said, the purpose for this video is to show you guys the durability of the glue. So now that that side is down, I'm going to pull. This is going to be a tight install because this wig cap is kind of small. I don't know. I've seen reviews on this wig and they're like, oh, big head friendly. This ain't big head friendly. This wig is not big head friendly because my head is big and it's not going all the way. But as you guys can see, this wig is tight. I look like Chinita. Look at my eyes. It's like snatched back. Good thing it's not on my hair. Oh my god. Like my eyebrows are lifted. I like it though. I look like I got like plastic surgery or something. Dude, this glue. Wow. Oh my god, guys. This glue is strong. Stronger than some of you guys' relationships. Wow. When you guys watch this video, you'll see how my eyes got snatched back. But I kind of like it. Wow. I like it. The only thing I don't like about this wig is that there's like some kind of band hair that I had to cut off, and there's like a dark. So this is not the glue's fault that the wig is like that. It's the wig fault. It's not the glue fault. But okay. So let's just snatch it back. Okay, so this is how the hair looks. Again, I like to put hair in the front like that just so, I don't know, it keeps the wig down, if that makes sense. But now all I have to do, as you guys can see, it's held together. All I have to do is like pluck this hairline and make some baby hairs, and then I will be lit. But this glue, I really like it. Snatch my hair back. Not my hair, because then that will mess with my edges. But it snatched my brows. The glue snatched my brows. Like, it looked like I got an instant facelift. I love it. Oh my god. And this hair looks popping. I'm so happy. Okay, so that's how that looks. I love it. It's so crazy how I got this rose tone. Like, I wasn't even going for this tone. I actually have a wig that's this color, but I like it. I like it. I really like the way this hair turned out. I love the glue. Wow. I feel like recording a makeup tutorial right now, but I'm not. I'm gonna say that for tomorrow. Okay guys, still, I love it, I love it, I love it. Okay guys, so that is going to complete this video. My last opinions, ratings on this glue is that I absolutely love it. And I think I'm gonna need some more because it really works. I have the regular Esha glue. It comes like the same color as this one does. And that one doesn't really work for me. Like, it doesn't really last. Like, it will last me for like 2 days, and then after that my wig will be sliding off. But this one, I love it, and it's gonna be my new favorite. We're gonna see how long it lasts, and I will definitely let you guys know. So be sure to follow me on Instagram so I can update you guys about the glue, because I'm installing wigs on my head basically like every other day. So I will definitely let you guys know. Just message me, leave it below in the comments, and I will definitely let you guys know how long the glue lasted for. But as for now, my initial review is that I really, really like the glue. It's super duper strong hold, and I also love the prep. Maybe that's why this glue is stronger. Who knows? Maybe it was the prep. But I love them. So I would definitely suggest that you get both. So that is going to complete this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, guys. Bye. And yes, my fingers are pink.